Hey thing guys, so what's up? So today I'm at my work and we're going to be installing Catless downpipes onto the 335 IS. Um, it's going to be somewhat of a step-by-step, more of an install for you guys. Stay tuned if you guys have never installed any sort of downpipes on an N54. Each chassis is a bit different, but for the E-Series chassis, it's about the same. What's good, guys? We're gonna do Catless downpipes today. Come over here. Disconnect the bottom O2 sensors. I already disconnect the top ones. You guys will see that previously. You guys need to take off the strut brace at the bottom. 4 17mm bolts. After that, I would recommend greasing the downpipe bolts at the bottom or lubing them, since they might be rusted, and then I'll show you guys the next steps after that.
All right, what are we doing now, boy?
Alright, so we took off the bolts on the steering rack right here. 1, 2, and then I already went and took off the bolts for the downpipes at the bottom. Now, if you come over here, I'm gonna start taking off the clamps for the turbos up there on both of them, and then they should come out right after that. Stay tuned. Alright then guys, I already took off both downpipes. There they are. I already switched off the O2 sensors. Make sure not to mix up the sensors. Make sure you put the downstream with the downstream, upstream with the upstream on both new downpipes. Now it's time to slap them back onto the car, as well as this one. The smaller downpipe will always be the first one to go in, and when taking them out of the car, the longer downpipe would be always the first one to come out. Alright then guys, so we are almost done. Downpipes are already in. Looking pretty good. Comes with new gasket and hardware. But make sure if they don't line up with the mid pipes. Let's see. Make sure if they don't line up with the mid pipes, you will need to adjust them from the clamps, twisting them or whatever. So let me go ahead and get this finished for you guys so you guys could hear how it's gonna sound now. Alright then guys, we are all done. Now it's time to start it up. Moment of truth. I honestly thought it was going to be louder. I know, it's not too loud, huh?